about. No, kaya wag na natin patagalin. Alam kong you are as excited as we are. Kami po ni Sir Anton, lagi kami excited to be able to share this opportunity. Yes. Kung ma-share nga lang namin tong opportunity on a daily basis, bakit nga ba hindi? Pero katulad ng iba sa inyo, part-time po namin ginagawa itong negosyo. That's the good thing about this business. No? Hindi natin kailangan mag-full-time dito. You can continue whatever source of income you are having right now. Pwede kayo magtrabaho pa, no? Kahit ayaw nyo na dahil kailangan nyo pa rin, di ba? Pero habang magtatrabaho kayo, pwede nyo gawin to on a part-time basis with the objective na in the future, eto na yung magiging permanent source of income nyo, no? So, magandang umaga po muna. Let's get started. Pakilala ko na po sa inyo ang ating magiting na co-host for today, no? Ang host for today. Ang ating pong passionate leader ng Thrivers Legacy at founder ng kanyang sariling team na Thrivers Champions at Thrivers Eagles na talaga namang lumilipad itong Eagle na to ngayon, no? Sila talaga yung nagdadala sa team namin ngayon, no? So, let's welcome, no, ang aking pong schoolmate in the university sa Central Escolar University po. Tandang-tanda ko pa yan, no? Dahil very popular po itong tao na to sa kilabot ng university, no? Let's all welcome Mr. Anton Sebastian.
Bakit mo binabato sa akin yung kabaligtaran, Sir Paul? Anyway, maraming salamat, no? It's so nice to be back here again, no? Working alongside with you sa ating Zoom webinar. Isang napakagandang Lunes po, no? Dito sa amin sa England, ano? Isang mapagpalang gabi po diyan sa Pilipinas at mapagpalang araw at gabi po sa bawat sulok ng mundo, no? Kamusta po kayong lahat? Hayaan po nating buksan natin at padaluyin ang pagpapala at swerte sa ating mga tahanan. At kung saan mo po kayo naroroon, ano, yung mga nakikinig po sa atin at bumabiyahe po, mag-ingat po kayo, no? Happy Easter Monday po sa lahat. Kung kayo po ay first-timer o bagong invite dito po sa ating Zoom webinar, I would like to acknowledge you po and thank you for joining. At sa mga nakikinig po sa atin sa ating Facebook Live, salamat din po, no? Sana po, no, magkita-kita tayo, makamayan kayo namin na Sir Paul, no? At kung bago po kayo, sana po hindi po ito ang una at huli ninyong pag-attend dito sa ating Zoom webinar, no? My name is Anton Sebastian and I'll be your host today, presenting alongside with the gorgeous presenter ngayon, no? Presenter of all time, no? Ang tanong ko lagi, no, sino po ba nag-a-agree sa atin o sa akin, no, na ang karamihan po talaga ay naghahanda. Especially, ano ba yung nagpaghanda? Yung, sa English po, yung nagpe-prepare po. Tulad po ngayon, no, naghahanda tayo sa Semana Santa, dito sa Holy Week na pinaghahandaan natin. Yung iba po, naghahandang umuwi sa kanilang mga probinsya. Yung iba naman po, no, naghahanda din, no, para sa mga pabasa. Yung iba, naghahanda para sa magbisita iglesia, na pag-usapan natin kanina yan, no? Kapag pumapasok po kayo sa trabaho, example po, naghahanda rin kayo sa inyong sarili, di po ba, no? Yung iba po, nagkakape muna bago maligo, yung iba naman, no, naghahanda sila ng maayos na uniforme para presentable sa opisina. Yung mga estudyante, ganun din, no? Naghahanda sila sa kanilang mga notes, no? Yung mga kababaihan, nagsusuklay, nagpapabango bago pumasok, no? Yung iba namang mga kalalakihan, naglalagay ng gel, no? Napag-usapan din natin yan. At pag nagbabakasyon kayo, naghahanda din po kayo ng mga pasalubong ninyo dun sa mga daratnan ninyo, no? Kami rin pong mga host na ginagawa namin ito, naghahanda rin po kami ng mga opening topic na katulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon para po mabuksan ang kaisipan ninyo, no? Na mabuksan ang kaisipan ng mga nakikinig sa atin. Bakit ko po ba naitanong ito? Preparation po is very important. Mas komportable ka, mas hindi ka kabado, kung handa ka, walang malilimutan kasi prepared tayo. When it comes to our finances, lalong kailangan nating maging handa. Dapat po, tama po, no? Dapat magkaroon tayo ng alternative source of income para tayo po ay hindi mapag-iwanan. Pwede po ba uli ako magtanong sa inyo, sino po sa inyong lahat na dito sa ating mga guest participants ang gustong magkaroon ng pagbabago, magkaroon ng makapag-prepared, no? Para sa mga emergency situation na nangyayari sa kanilang buhay. Meron tayong huhugutin, di ba? Kapag preparado ka, meron kang pwedeng makuha, no? Kapag preparado ka, kasi ang gusto nating mangyari, hindi tayo kinakabahan, hindi tayo naghahanap ng isang solusyon na maaaring hindi natin tumakuha ng biglaan, kaya tayo ay naghahanda. Sa lahat po ng tanong ko na yan, if your answer is yes, no? Kung ang sagot nyo po ay oo doon sa mga tanong ko, dahil gusto nyo maging laging handa, magkaroon ng time freedom, financial freedom, you are in the right room. Kaya at ngayon po, ipapakilala ko na sa inyo ang ating presenter of all time, an extraordinary leader, no, na napakabait, no? Ewan ko kung talagang napakabait siya, no? Biro lang po, no? Siya ang leader ng ating Drivers Legacy Team, no? Ipapakilala niyo po mamaya ang kanyang sarili, an entrepreneur, a good provider, no? Napakagaling na kaibigan at mentor, no? A leader with a good heart. Please help me in welcoming Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. The screen is yours, Sir Paul. Take it away. Thank you. Yeah.
Yun, maraming salamat Sir Anton, no? Napakaganda po na introduction natin. It's about planning, preparing, no? We'd like to share to you, no, some tips kung paano ba tayo makakapag-prepare sa buhay natin, especially now that we are living dangerously, no? Bakit sinabi kong dangerously? Nagmamahalan na lahat ng mga gastusin natin, mga bilihin natin, mga bills, no? So basically, we are living on the edge, no? Karamihan sa atin are struggling to pay our bills on a monthly basis. Much more yung mga gastusin natin sa araw-araw, pagbili nga lang ng mga pagkain para mailagay sa mesa natin, no? Problema na ng karamihan sa atin, no? So we are here to give you an idea, some information that could potentially help you, no, na makaangat at makakawala doon sa mga financial struggles na nararanasan nyo today, no? So I'd like to welcome you sa ating this presentation for today, no? And hopefully those information ay magagamit nyo to bring about a positive change or a breakthrough change in your life. Okay? So allow me to introduce myself furthermore. Na-introduce na po ako ni Sir Anton and most of you probably knows me already, pero for the sake of those who don't know me, ako po isang registered nurse by profession. Hanggang ngayon, full-time pa rin nagtatrabaho dito sa UP as a charge nurse for the last 23 years. Magka-24 years na po ako dito, no? Naalala ko, nung una ako nagpunta dito, sabi ko 5 years lang, mag-iipon lang ako, tapos uwi na ng Pilipinas, magnenegosyo na ako, no? Kasi alam ko na I don't want to be an employee for the rest of my life, no? Dahil ganun po yung karamihan sa pamilya ko, empleyado, and then after retirement, wala din nangyari, no? Parang naghihikaos pa rin sa buhay, they don't have enough money to spend beyond retirement, no? Kaya sabi ko noon 5 years lang, no? Mag-iipon lang ako, pero I discovered na hindi pala enough yung 5 years, umabot na ng 10 years, no? Pero pagdating ng 10 years naman, no, naisip ko na hindi talaga enough. Naghanap na ako ng ibang opportunities to have an additional source of income, no? Naging financial advisor din po ako. Ibig sabihin, nagbebenta po ako ng mga insurance, life insurance, critical life insurance, no? Home insurance, lahat ng insurance na binibenta ko yan, no? And later on, before the pandemic in 2017, nag-venture po ako into a franchise business, no? Kasi natutunan ko po before na pag nag-franchise ka daw, madali ang pera, no? Basta nasundan mo yung sistema nung company na nagpa-franchise, no? And true enough, no? I made a lot of money in the franchise business. However, dumating naman yung pandemya, yung COVID-19, no? Na halos nagpatigil ng mundo natin, di ba? Tumigil yung ikot ng mundo. Tumigil din yung negosyo ko. Not because it was affected by the pandemic, but because I was affected by the pandemic. Dahil COVID-19, meron po akong kidney transplant. I have a very weak immune system. So I cannot physically manage the business. Kaya napilitan po ako na isarado siya sometime in 2020. Pero fortunately, bago ko siya isarado, nakilala ko po itong negosyo na ipe-present ko sa inyo, no? I was invited by a friend of mine from the Philippines. So ang ginawa ko po, nung una, tinanggihan ko. Kinukulit ako. Sabi ko, during this time of the pandemic, paano naman mag-click yung kahit anong negosyo, di ba? When a lot of people are on isolation, nasa loob lang ng bahay, hindi makalabas. So paano tayo makakapag-negosyo niyan? Pero after a few weeks, kinulit-kulit pa rin ako, napilitan ako na pagbigyan ko na rin dahil matalik ko pong kaibigan ito, no? So I attended a webinar katulad ng ina-attendan nyo ngayon. I was on that side of the webinar. Nakinig po ako with an open mind, at nung matapos po yung webinar, naintindihan ko that this is something that can work. This is something that can be done even during the pandemic crisis dahil this business can be done at the comfort of our own home. Sa bahay lang pwede na, no? So true enough, after 3 weeks lang kumikita na ako sa negosyo, and now after 3.5 years, I'm now a director 1-star dito sa negosyo na to. And I want you to experience the same dito sa negosyo. I want you to get started, no? Simulan nyo, seryosohin natin, tapos malay nyo, ito na pala yung opportunity na matagal nyo nang inihintay at matagal nyong pinagdadasal. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga bagay na importante sa buhay natin ngayon, lalo na ngayon na karamihan sa atin ay hirap na hirap, di ba? We're not talking about spirituality, no? Ang pag-uusapan natin dito, importante. Dalawang bagay daw na importante sa buhay ng tao, yung pera at saka yung oras, di ba? But we will talk about the first one, yung pera, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Ang question ko ngayon sa inyo, sino sa inyo ang merong allergy sa money? Type 1 po sa chat box natin kung allergic kayo sa money, kung magpapantal ba kayo, nangangatig ba kayo pagka napag-uusapan yung maraming pera, no? This is probably not the right place for you, no? Pero malay nyo, baka sabi nga nila ang gamot daw sa allergy yung desensitization na tinatawag, no? Kailangan ma-expose ka ma-expose sa bagay na may allergy ka para mawala yung allergy mo, no? So makinig na rin po kayo sa akin, no? Ang second question ko, sino po dito yung mga mukhang pera? Type 2 po sa chat box natin. Paki-cooperate po, no? I'd be looking to your answers. Sino po dito yung mga mukhang pera? Type 2 po diyan sa chat box natin. No? Meron ako nakikitang isa na nag-type, no? Na hindi nahihiya na sabihin na mukhang pera siya, no? Ako po, admittedly, mukha po akong pera because I believe na ang pera po is something na kailangan natin sa buhay, sa pang-araw-araw, no? It dictates, no, what we can possibly do in one day. It dictates kung ano yung mabibili natin for that particular day. It dictates kung aral ba natin yung mga anak natin, especially diyan sa Pilipinas, napakamahal na rin ng mga tuition fee ngayon, no? So wag po tayong mahiya na matawag na mukhang pera dahil it's a necessity, no? Hindi po yan isang bagay na that we can live without, di ba? Kailangan natin yung pera na yan. And sabi nga ng mga successful na tao sa mundo, the reason why hindi yung mayaman yung maraming tao is because of our negativity pagdating sa pera, no? Hindi na maalis yan. Karamihan sa atin maraming negative ideas about money, di ba? Kasi nasa blueprint na raw natin yan, yung tinatawag na money blueprint, no? Yan po yung mga wrong money beliefs natin, di ba? Ano yung example ng mga wrong money beliefs na yan? Sabi nila, money is the root of all evil, di ba? Totoo ba 'yon? Totoo siguro for some cases, no, na sinasamba nila yung pera, nagko-corrupt sila, no, nagnanakaw sila para lang magkaroon ng pera, no? Pero in most cases, hindi po root of all evil 'yan dahil ang pera po ay kailangan natin, di ba? Evil ba 'yan kung ang pera ginagamit mo sa papa-hospital kay nanay at kay tatay? Evil ba yan kung ikaw nag-abroad ka para lang kumita ng pera para matustusan yung future ng family mo? It's not evil, di ba? Second, a negative belief about money. Maraming problema daw ang mayayaman. Totoo po ba yon? Sino po mas maraming problema? Yung mayayaman o yung mahihirap? Yung mahihirap, mas maraming problema. Kaya lang, no, napipilitan na lang nilang dalin yung problema na yon, no? Whereas, yung mga mayayaman, madami din problema. Pero, most of those problems can be solved by money, no? Nasosolve din ng pera, no? Kayo ba, kung papipiliin kayo, would you rather be someone who is rich with problems or someone who is poor with problems din? Siyempre, pipiliin natin yung mayaman na meron ding problema, di ba? So, pangatlo, maliit lang naman ang pangarap ko, no? Lagi nating minamaliit yung sarili natin, no? Or siguro yung karamihan sa atin, excuse na lang 'yan for not being able to achieve yung mga goals nyo, yung mga dreams nyo sa buhay, no? Sinasabi nyo na lang na maliit na yung pangarap nyo kasi alam nyo hindi nyo kaya, di ba? Or, no? Nilagay nyo na sa kokote nyo na hindi nyo kayang maabot yung mga pangarap na yun, no? Pero for those of you na talagang matinding mangarap, malaki yung mga pangarap nyo, no? Sasabihin mo ba sa sarili mo na maliit lang naman ang pangarap mo? Of course, dapat lakihan natin yung mga pangarap natin, no? Dahil yan lang ang makakapag-ahon sa atin, yan lang ang makakapag-enable sa atin upang matupad natin yung mga malalaking pangarap na yan, no? So because of the wrong money beliefs, yung mga decision natin are not in line on making us millionaires, especially yung mga OFW, di ba? Ang naiisip lang natin na solusyon para magkapera, abroad, di ba? Magtrabaho abroad kahit iwanan natin yung pamilya natin in the Philippines, di ba? A lot of social experiments has been done, no? Yung mga naiwan natin mga anak natin, hindi importante sa kanila yung mga package na pinapadala mo o yung pera, no? It's important for them to maramdaman yung pagmamahal nyo, no? Yung presence natin, di ba? So if you can make money in the Philippines, why would you go abroad, no? Para lang kumita ng pera, no? So that's our objective today, no, to give you an alternative para mabura lahat yung mga yung mga wrong money beliefs na yan, mabura lahat, no, yung mga paniniwala natin na hindi na natin kayang abutin yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay by giving you this opportunity para matupad natin yung mga yung pangarap natin na financial freedom, yung kalayaan, no, sa finances natin, yung hindi natin problema yung kikita yung pera, hindi natin problema. Yung oras, marami tayong oras to spend that money, marami tayong oras to spend in the other more important things in life. Ano ba yung mga mahalagang bagay sa buhay? Yung makapag-resign tayo dun sa trabaho na hate natin gawin, no? Yung pagod na pagod ka na, no? Parang ayaw mo nang gumising sa umaga para magtrabaho pero napipilitan ka pa rin, no? To drag your feet para pumunta dun sa workplace mo, di ba? Finally, no, you will be able to quit your job later on, di ba? Nandiyan din yung gusto natin makain, yung mga pagkain na gusto natin, no? Yung pupunta tayo ng restaurant, hindi tayo titingin doon sa right side of the menu, yung price, di ba? Ang titingnan lang natin yung kaliwa, no? Basta masarap, kalimutan na yung presyo niyan, di ba? And then we can go shopping, we can spend our time, no, enjoying our dream house na may swimming pool pa. We can enjoy time with our family and go around the world, travel, no, para makita natin yung culture ng iba't ibang bansa, di ba? So that is what we call financial freedom. When you wake up in the morning and you feel like you want to go to Japan and Korea, pwede mong gawin, no? Yung walang nagdidikta sa iyo anong oras ka iinom ng coffee, no? Anong oras ka gigising sa umaga, anong oras ka uuwi at anong oras ka matutulog. Di ba? Ang sarap po ng buhay kung gano'n, di ba? Tayo ngayon, karamihan sa atin are living with a full-time job and a part-time life, no? But this business opportunity that I'm going to present to you will allow you to live with a full-time life and a part-time job. Okay? Okay po ba yan? Are you excited about it? Buksan lamang po natin. I hope I have opened your mind already, no? Pero buksan pa rin natin yung isipan natin so that we can learn new skills, new options, and hindi natin ma-miss out yung mga new opportunities na dumadating sa harapan natin. Karaniwan daw na naghihiwalay sa atin at sa mga bagay na gusto natin sa buhay ay yung willingness natin to change our mindset. So let me present to you this business for everyone. Isang negosyo na pwedeng gawin kahit sino, pwedeng gawin kahit kailan at pwedeng gawin kahit saan. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan, maliit lang pwede na at pwede ka nang kumita ng malaking income dito. Pwede kang kumita in euros, pwede kang kumita through digital assets na tinatawag tulad ng NFT at cryptocurrency. Dito pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro ka at lalong-lalo na pwede kang kumita habang natutulog ka, no? Ang sarap siguro, no? We have a very popular character sa Pilipinas, no? Naalala niyo ba si Juan Tamad, no, na hinihintay lang yung bayabas na bumagsak doon sa bibig niya, di ba? Ang sarap siguro ng buhay ng gano'n, no? Yung you have all the blessings in life tapos hinihintay mo na lang na dumating sa iyo lahat ng blessings, di ba? Transferable, ibig sabihin pwede nating ipamana, no? Pwedeng iwan na sa legacy. This is also 100% mobile business. Ibig sabihin ang tanging kailangan lang natin to run this business is something that all of us have already, no? Hindi na natin kailangan ng isang opisina dahil ang opisina natin yung mobile phone mo, no? Kung ikaw ay hindi pa kumikita sa smartphone mo na pagkamahal-mahal, then you are missing out a lot, no? Today we will learn how to convert your mobile phone into a powerful income generating machine, parang ATM, di ba? Yun po ang ituturo namin sa inyo. We will make it a powerful online business. Okay? Let me reiterate again, no? You can earn here while sleeping, pero hindi ko sinabi naman na pagsimula mo pa lang matulog ka na. We have to build the foundation of the business first bago mangyari yung earning while sleeping. Okay? Now, we will talk about the company, we'll talk about the products, we'll talk about the compensation plan. Tuturuan din namin kayo kung paano kayo magsisimula dito sa negosyo. Let's talk about the company first. The name of the company is C1. Ang C1 po isang affiliate marketing company, no? Similar to Uber, to Amazon, to Booking.com, walang sariling produkto, pero merong napaka-powerful na online marketing platform na ginagamit ng iba't ibang company o tao upang ma-market o ma-distribute yung kanilang mga products and services, no? And in return, kumikita sila ng malaki dito. Take for example, Uber. Walang sariling taxi, pero pagka nag-book ka ng taxi through Uber, no, part of the payment na binibigay mo sa taxi, napunta kay Uber. Pagka bumili ka ng product kay Amazon, hindi Amazon yung brand niyan, di ba? Adidas or Nike. Binili mo yung rubber shoes. Part of the payment mo kay Nike or Adidas, napupunta kay Amazon. Nag-book ka ng hotel kay Booking.com, no? Wala namang hotel yung Booking.com, di ba? Meron lang silang mga affiliate hotels. Pero pag nagbayad ka doon sa hotel, part of that payment napupunta kay Booking.com. Ganon din po si C1. May mga companies na sumakay sa platform natin, no? Part of the payment na binabayad natin sa mga companies na yon, napupunta kay C1. Pero instead na sarilinin ng company yung kita, no? Kinuha niya tayo as partners. Tayo na yung magdi-distribute ng products and services, and in return, binigyan niya tayo ng isang sustainable business opportunity na magagawa natin habang nabubuhay tayo. Okay? And the good thing is, yung C1 po is continuously innovating, diversifying sa mga products and services, at ngayon, binibigyan tayo ng C1 ng access to such exciting technologies tulad ng cryptocurrency, ng Web3, ng NFT, at ng mga virtual gaming that allows us to play and earn at the same time. Ang C1 po ay nag-start in 2019. We are now celebrating our fifth year anniversary, no? Meron tayong more than 50 million affiliates worldwide. I believe we're closing in to 60 million dahil in the last 3 months po, no, merong additional 4 million members na nag-sign up dito sa ating business. We have footprint over 185 countries worldwide. And in celebration of our 5th year anniversary, nag-release po ang company ng limited edition ng anniversary edition ng C1 magazine natin, which will feature the most powerful product na ilo-launch ng company very, very soon. And that is the C1 token. Pag-uusapan natin yan maya-maya. Right? Who are the people behind the success of the company? Si Jonas Eric Werner po, visionary founder ng C1, isang IT expert at na mayroong ng more than 25 years of successful entrepreneurial experience. Ang ating pong interim CEO na si Martin Blisma from Netherlands also have vast experience sa pagdating po sa network marketing industry. Okay? Now, pag-usapan natin yung mga powerful products and services. The company is tapping into a lot of top industries. Unang-una, yung NFT, trading, and gaming industry. We have powerful gaming products tulad ng Planet IX and Metaverse that allows us to play and earn at the same time. Mga gaming platform po yan. Lalaruin natin at kita po tayo in the form of cryptocurrency. Mga stand-alone products po yan. The company is also tapping into the mobile gaming industry. Maybe you have played games like Candy Crush, no? Yung mga Angry Birds, no? Ito po, ang Emperor Knights is brought about by a company called Rebel Nation. The company is also tapping into the online education industry tulad ng Mindo at Tigra. We are also tapping into the travel and lifestyle through Travelia. And very, very soon, the company will be tapping into the cryptocurrency industry, no? Malapit na po yan. The company will introduce C1 Wallet and of course, the much awaited, no, powerful product C1 token. May ipapaliwanag ko po maya-maya. Lahat po ng produkto na yan nakapaloob dito sa ating business opportunity na ito. Unahin natin yung dalawang gaming platform natin which allows us to play and earn at the same time. To give you accurate information, papakita ko na lang po sa inyo itong video from the company, no? Back to back po ito, yung Planet IX at Metaverse, to give you an idea kung paano ba ito nag-work. Okay? So I suggest na lakasan nyo po yung volume ng mga device nyo para maintindihan nyo at ma-appreciate nyo itong video na ito.
The year is 450 after Earth. Agents of change have unknowingly returned to their former home. They call it Planet IX, a world destroyed, full of ancient ruins and wastelands. Their mission is simple: restore, rebuild, and resurrect. Planet IX is an NFT-based strategy game, offering a fun and challenging path to earn rewards in the game's own currency, IX token. The game went on-chain in November 2021 and has since experienced strong growth. Planet IX is currently ranked as a leading game across all blockchains, with more than 100,000 wallets connected daily and over 220,000 wallets holding IXT. The game consists of 4 hubs, all integrated to create a dynamic user experience catering to a broad audience. Trade and build. Planet IX is a digital rendition of Earth, divided into 1.7 billion hexagons called PIX, each one a tradable NFT. Collect PIX with the aim to form territories by connecting a number of adjacent PIX on the map, as territories unlocks IXT rewards. PIX can be acquired directly on Planet IX's own marketplace or in special packs. In Marketplace, you may also trade other in-game assets to be used strategically in the part of the game called Mission Control. Farm and play to earn. In Mission Control, you can monetize your assets when placing PIX on land tiles. The tiles will start producing waste, which can be collected either manually or through time-saving technology like drones and rovers. In Planet IX, waste serves as a valuable resource that can be converted to consumable assets, which are needed to build facilities. Facilities produce energy, the ultimate asset in Mission Control, as energy can be spent on exclusive packs or staked for IXT rewards. All in-game assets are NFTs that you own and monetize. This is Planet IX's free-to-play and play-to-earn mechanic. Staking and DeFi. As you start building territories or producing energy, you can head over to IX Foundation, Planet IX's GameFi platform. Here you may lock up your collected assets to earn IXT. IX Foundation also offers staking rewards for staking IXT, as well as providing liquidity, creating a natural landing page for anyone who owns or is interested in IXT, gamer or not. Gaming and esports. Whether you want to enjoy just a casual game or a multiplayer competitive one, visit the IX Arena. IX Arena is funded by revenues generated from Marketplace and Mission Control, and by playing the games, you have the chance to earn IXT. This provides an excellent opportunity for new players, as you can use your winnings to explore the full Planet IX experience in Marketplace, Mission Control, and IX Foundation. To find out more about Planet IX and start playing, head over to planetix.com.
That's Planet IX for us, no? The number one Polygon blockchain-based strategy game in the world for the last 2 years since Planet IX has been launched, no? The objective ay bumili, magbenta at mag-trade ng mga virtual digital assets tulad ng mga real estates at mga NFTs or non-fungible token na tinatawag, no? At kumikita tayo in cryptocurrency. The next product is also a gaming platform which is promising to become even bigger than Planet IX. Ito po yung tinatawag na Metaverse.
Enter a world where you call the shots, where you make the decisions, where you reap the benefits, where your trading skills are your superpowers. The most immersive virtual trading game in the multiverse. From a global crew of designers and the best game developers in the world, Learn, trade, interact, grow. Play to earn right now in real time. With powerful virtual trading portfolios, the game of the future, with the edge of crypto and the blockchain. It's the start of a revolutionary new world. The world of Metaversy. Your new superpower.
So Metaverse, the new superpower, no? Parang Planet Ice din po ito, pero the difference is dito po ang mga bibilin, ibebenta at ite-trade natin ay mga virtual stocks from virtual companies that are only existing in the Metaverse. Nagkaroon na po tayo ng beta testing sa mga selected affiliates natin. Nag-start na silang makapaglaro nito, no? So now they're trying to to adjust, to rectify yung mga feedback na nakuha nila sa mga beta testers, i-correct na nila so that they can finally launch the game to everyone sa lahat po ng mga affiliates natin. And I believe that it is going to happen very, very soon, no? Now, yung susunod na product naman natin is tapping into the travel and lifestyle industry. The company introduced us to Travelia. Ang Travelia po ay isang hotel booking engine, no? Parang booking.com, Agoda or hotels.com, no? One of the most expenses natin pag nagta-travel tayo yung hotel, di ba? Pero not now, because through Travelia, you can get as much as up to 65% discount, no? Pagka kinuha mo yung Travelia Plus. You can get Travelia for free. Makakakuha ka ng mga 10 to 20% discount lang. But if you want to maximize the up to 65% discount, you can subscribe to Travelia Plus, no? This is going to become the #1 travel portal in the world. To make you understand what Travelia is all about, here's another 1-minute video. So again, using our mobile phone, we can search where we want to go. We can book the hotel and enjoy up to 65% discount, no, in 400,000 hotel and resort accommodations worldwide. No, napakaganda po ng booking engine ito. Now let's talk about the upcoming products, which is even more exciting. No, dito excited po kami because finally the company will be tapping into probably one of the top industry in the world, no, yung cryptocurrency industry na tinatawag, no. I hope everyone remember the first time nung narinig natin yung Bitcoin, no. Sometime in 2008 or 2009, una kong narinig ang Bitcoin. I was invited to invest in Bitcoin. Bibili daw kami ng Bitcoin and we will wait until the value goes up, no. Ang value po ng Bitcoin in 2009, no, wala pa yatang piso. 0.001 of a dollars lang, no, kung makikita nyo dito, no, 0.001 of a dollars in 2009. And over time, tumaas na po siya ng tumaas. Ngayon pong 2024, umabot na po ang value ng Bitcoin to as much as 70,000 nga no, 65,000 dollars, no, on the average ngayong 2024 po, no. There was a prediction chart in 2000 anong year ba to? Mga 2015 yata o 2017, no? Na by 2030 daw, aabot daw po ng more than $100,000 ang value ng isang Bitcoin. Imagine, kung hindi tayo natakot at hindi tayo nagduda, no? at bumili tayo ng Bitcoin for 0.001 of a dollar in 2009. Ang value na sana ngayon ng 1 Bitcoin natin ay more than $65,000. Ibig sabihin, multimillionaire ka na. Diba? O multimillionaire na rin ako. Pero that's past, no? Na-miss natin yung opportunity natin noon, no? But the question is, are we gonna miss another great opportunity ngayon? Bakit? Kasi the company is launching its cryptocurrency products. Unang-una, yung C1 wallet natin, which is going to become a global wallet system connected to Web3 and Metaverse. Ito po yung secure storage ng mga digital asset natin dito like the C1 NFT and other powerful cryptocurrency at lalong-lalo na yung C1 token na ilo-launch ng company natin. Secondly, yung C1 token, we are now given an opportunity to take our place as pioneers dito, no? So, mag-ilo-launch pala ng company, no? Lahat tayo, pioneers, is a groundbreaking opportunity para sa atin, no? I believe it's going to be very, very soon. Siguro in the next 6 months, ilo-launch na ng company ito sa global exchange, no? Meron tayong opportunity ngayon. This is going to become one of the most valuable token pool in the world, aiming to become number 1 in Polygon blockchain and also aiming to become one of the top 5 cryptocurrency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. Meron nga tayong advantage dahil yung Bitcoin and Ethereum nung nilaunch sila, wala pa silang market. Hinahanap pa nila yung market. Yung iba nga, karamihan doon sa market, no, nagduda at natakot, sabi, scam daw sila, no? Pero ngayon, nagsisisi na lahat ng mga hindi nag-invest sa Bitcoin, di ba? Pero tayo, meron na tayong captive market na more than 50 million affiliates na ready na to utilize the C1 token, no? So, pag maraming gumagamit, mas tataas ang value niyan, di ba? So, yun po yung kagandahan. Meron na tayong captive market. Kaya, inaasahan po ng company that we will become a major player in the cryptocurrency industry. And for us to become part of it, para tayo magkaroon ng C1 token ngayon, the only way is for you to become part of this business by purchasing one of the 4 NFT element packages natin. Dahil yan po yung mga packages na naglalaman ng mga C1 token na yan. Unang-una, yung Earth package natin, you can avail of the Earth package for only 129 euros or 8 to 9,000 pesos. Hindi lang po C1 token ang laman yan, meron ka ring NFT o yung non-fungible token natin na Earth NFT, the Genesis Generation NFT, no? Na inaasahang mag-i-increase yung value over time. You also have your Metaverse, yung PlanetIX, at iba pang mga produkto ng ating company, no? NFT stands for non-fungible token. Ibig sabihin, it's a token, a digital asset na nag-increase ang value over time dahil irreplaceable siya, unchangeable at unique, no? Limited edition basically. Konti lang ang nagme-may-ari niya. But if you want to start bigger, nandyan po yung Air package natin, 319 euros or 20 to 22,000 pesos. Magiging dalawa na yung NFT ownership mo, including the Air. Yung Earth package, meron kang 1,000 C1 token. Dito sa Air NFT, sa Air package natin, meron kang 2,500 C1 token. Meron pa mas malaki dyan, yung Water. 819 euros or 50 to 55,000. Tatlong NFT na, including the Water. And you also get 7,500 C1 tokens. And lastly, the Fire package, 2,519 euros or 150 to 160,000 pesos. Makukuha mo na yung 4 na major NFTs natin. The Earth, the Air, the Water, and the Fire, no? Which will give you more power in the business. It will maximize your potential income. It will also give you it will also give you 20,000 C1 token. So pag launch pa lang ng C1 token, meron ka ng 20,000. That's your advantage. So 4 na malaking packages ang pwede natin pagpilian upang masimulan natin itong business na to so that we can own the C1 token. If you are to ask me kung ano yung pinakamaganda, I would definitely say yung Fire package dahil diyan, meron ka ng 4 na NFT, meron ka pang 20,000 C1 tokens, mama-maximize mo pa yung earning potential mo beyond the C1 tokens. Okay? Pero kung meron kang problema sa budget, I would suggest to start on the smallest package, Earth. Don't worry because as you do the business, pwede kang mag-upgrade to a bigger package later on, no? Lalo na pagka kumikita ka na dito sa negosyo. And the company is so generous. The company is giving us an opportunity, no? Kung problema pa rin sa iyo yung 129 euros, no, nag-launch yung company ng tinatawag na Special Earth, no, package that gets you the following. Meron kang 500 C1 tokens, you get 25 binary points or 25 rank points which you will understand later on. Meron ka ding isang Earth NFT dyan, no, only for 79 euros, no, limited time hanggang April 2 lang po yata ito, I believe, no. Tama, April 2 lang po yata ito. Kaya take advantage, no, kung gusto niyo mag-start on a mas maliit yung gagastusin nyo, no, for only 79 euros. You also have the 3 times token based multiplier. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply by 3 times yung number ng C1 token natin. Base value. Okay? Now, another generosity from the company until 2nd of April then, no? The company is giving us a free upgrade promotion. Ibig sabihin, pagka bumili tayo ng Earth package, ang ibibigay sa atin ng company ay Air package and all the benefits of it. Pagka bumili naman tayo ng Air package, ang ibibigay sa atin ay Water package. Pagka bumili tayo ng Water, ang ibibigay sa atin ay yung Fire package. Pagka bumili tayo ng Fire package, dahil yan ay yung pinakamalaking package, no? Nag-release ang company ng tinatawag na Fifth Element limited edition NFT package, no? So pagka bumili tayo ng Fire, i-upgrade ng company yung package natin to this Fifth Element package, which contains 2 additional legendary NFT and you get additional 15,000 C1 token. So total mo ay 35,000 C1 token na. Di ba? So ang sarap. Pero sabi ko nga hanggang 2nd of April na lang po ito. This is the last extension of the promotion. Na-extend na po na-extend yung promo na yan, no? Pero last na po on the 2nd of April because the company is already preparing for the grand launching ng mga powerful products natin. Okay? Now, kung ikaw po, after 2nd of April po, no? Kaya may advantage po yung bibili ng package before 2nd of April because after 2nd of April, yung laman na C1 token ng bawat package ay mababawasan po by 25%, no? So from 1,000 C1 tokens sa Earth package, bababa na po yan ng 750. From 35,000 sa Fifth Element package, bababa na po yan to 26,250. No? So that's why that's more reason for you to take advantage of the promotion hanggang 2nd of April po. Wag na po tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Okay? Okay, you also have a chance to get more C1 token by plugging into the maximum C1 power, no, yung power bundle na tinatawag natin, no. Nirelease lang po ito ng company very recently pero it's also for a limited period of time. Pwede tayong bumili ng mga power bundles na yan, no, yung Earth bundle, yung Water bundle, Fire bundle, Air bundle, tsaka yung Fifth Element bundle, which will give us more C1 token, no. Let me tell you kung paano ka makaka-avail niyan. For 99 euros, yung Earth bundle will give you 1,000 more C1 token. So meron ka ng 1,000 do sa Earth package mo, meron ka pang additional 1,000 dyan. If you get the Air power bundle, 219 euros lang, meron kang additional 2,500. So dinodoble niya lang, no, yung nakuha mo dun sa old package mo. Dito sa Water bundle, for only 489 euros, 7,500 C1 token. For the Fire bundle, 1,259 euros, you get 20,000 additional C1 token. For the Fifth Element edition na power bundle, 1,649 euros, 35,000 additional C1 token ang ating makukuha dito, no? So napakarami pong C1 token in preparation for the grand launching. Huwag po nating hintayin yung grand launching. Ngayon pa lang mag-ipon na po tayo, magparami tayo. Ang labanan po dito, paramihan ng C1 token para by the time na i-launch yung C1 token natin, malaki na yung value ng C1 token natin. Okay? Bakit? No? Remember Bitcoin, nung i-launch siya, maliit lang po ang value, di ba? Sabihin natin na pag ni-launch po yung ating C1 token, ang value lang ay piso. Piso lang. Ibig sabihin, yung 1,000 mo, meron kang 1,000 pesos, di ba? Yung 35,000 C1 token mo, meron kang 35,000 pesos, di ba? Pero hindi ganun ang labanan sa C1 token, hindi po pesos ang ginagamit dito, dollars, no? Nakita natin yung radical, no, appreciation ng value ng Bitcoin from 2009 to 2024, di ba? What if, no, in the next 2 years, 1 or 2 years time lang, umabot lang ng $1 yung value ng ating C1 token? Posible ba yon? Posible. Meron kasi tayong captive market na more than 50 million na. So $1 na lang. Ibig sabihin, yung 1,000 C1 token mo is now equivalent to $1,000, no? After 1 or 2 years yan, di ba? Yung 35,000 C1 token mo, magkano na? Di $35,000. You do the math, no? Ikaw na mag-compute in Philippine peso kung magiging magkano yung value ng 35,000 C1 token mo. Kung bumili ka pa ng power bundle, di meron kang 2,000 dyan, di ba? O kaya 70,000 na C1 token ang pwede mong ma-convert into cash, di ba? So yan po yung kahalagahan na magparami tayo ng ating C1 token even before the grand launching itong powerful product na ito. Okay, so yan po. Ano ba makukuha natin aside from the C1 token? Makakakuha tayo ng 40 business points diyan, up to 660 business points. Makakakuha din tayo ng 99 rank booster points or up to 1,649 rank booster points. Maintindihan niyo po kung ano ba yung mga business points na yan later on when I proceed to the next phase of the business opportunity. Okay? So, for the old members naman, no, na wala pang element package, you can still catch up, no? Meron kayong tatlong option diyan. Yung first option, wala kang babayaran. You only get 10% of the base C1 token based on the conversion ng C1 rewards at loyalty points mo. Second option naman, magbayad ka ng 19 euros na reactivation fee, dodoblehin ng company yung C1 token, base C1 token value mo. Yung third option naman, pag nag-upgrade ka to an element package after paying the reactivation fee of 19 euros, bibigyan ka na ng company ng multiplier. Pag Earth package, yung upgrade mo, 3 times yung multiplier mo. So 3 times your C1 token. Air package, 4 times. Pag water, 6 times. Pagka fire, 8 times. At pagka fifth element naman ay 10 times multiplier ang ibibigay sa'yo ng company. Okay? Now, yung kikitain natin sa C1 token, ang tawag doon passive income. Kasi pwede nating iwan doon yung C1 token lang. Wala tayong gagawin. Sabi nga nung storya ni Juan Tamad, di ba? Inihintay niya lang yung bayabas na bumagsak dun sa bibig niya. Ganon din ang gagawin natin kay C1 token. Pwedeng matulog ka lang, hintayin mo lang matumaas yung value ng C1 token mo, no? At doon magpa-profit ka na. Ang tawag doon passive income, no? Yung income na kinikita mo kahit wala kang ginagawa. Pero dito sa negosyo natin, meron din tayong tinatawag na active income. Yung meron kang gagawin. Pero ang kapalit diyan ay mas lalaki yung income natin, no? Ito yung referral system ng ating company. And we have a lot of bonuses na binibigay ng company for those who are joining the referral system natin. Merong sales bonus, merong crowd bonus, merong matching bonus, at meron tayong monthly residual bonus na tinatawag. Etong mga bonuses na to allows us to earn more in bitcoins o kaya in euros. Pwedeng bitcoins, pwedeng euros, no? So, yung sales bonus, self-explanatory, every time na makakuha ka na magsasubscribe kay Planet IX at kay Travelia, no, babayaran ka ng company in bitcoins or in euros. Pag crowd bonus naman, ito yung part where we need to share the opportunity. Mag-invite tayo ng mga kakilala natin na maging part ng negosyo natin. They can have the C1 token as well, but they can also start referring people to the business, no? Bibigyan tayo ng company ng tinatawag na crowd bonus, no? Yung crowd bonus, binabayaran tayo for our referrals. Dalawang referrals ang babayaran sa atin. Yung direct referrals, tsaka yung indirect referrals. Ang gagawin ng company, hahatiin yung mga referrals natin into 2. Isa sa left, isa doon sa kanan. Yung left and right team mo, no? Babayaran tayo sa referral mo. Babayaran ka rin sa referral ng referral mo at sa referral ng referral ng referral ng referral mo at referral ng 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 unlimited, no? Babayaran tayo sa lahat ng klase ng referrals na nanggaling dun sa referral mo. For every, no, ang minimum nakikitain natin dito for every matching, no? Depending on the package na kinuha nila, for every matching referral sa kaliwat kanan mo, kikita ka ng pinakamahina 11 euros. Okay? So, pwedeng mataas, depende kung anong package ang kinuha nila. Okay? Third, matching bonus naman. Dito, kumikita naman tayo ng additional 10% base sa kinikita ng mga direct referrals natin. No? So, halimbawa, meron kang 10 direct referrals. Lahat sila kumita ng tigwa 100 euros. E di meron kang cut na 10% doon. Ibig sabihin, 10% of 100 ay 10 euros, no? Pero hindi cut yun sa kinikita nila, no? Hindi ka kumita from them. Kumita ka dahil binayaran ka ng company ng 10% based on the income of those people. So, bibigyan ka ng company ng 10% na hindi binabawasan yung income ng mga nirefer mo. Okay? So, yung tinatawag na matching bonus. Eto, nagbibigay din sa atin ng residual income na tinatawag. Kasi, for example, no, nag-travel ka, hindi ka nagre-refer, pero yung mga taong ni-refer mo, nagre-refer pa rin, tuloy-tuloy, ibig sabihin, kumikita ka pa rin ng 10% kahit wala kang ginagawa. Di ba? Fourth, monthly residual bonus. Ito, maganda to. Kasi para po itong pension plan, no? Ibig sabihin, a percentage nung kinikita ng company based on product sales all over the world. Nilalagay ng company in a profit pool, no? Basket yan, o kahon yan, o kahadihero yan. Lahat ngayon ng pera dun sa pool na yon ay mapupunta sa atin. Pero nakadepende yan kung ano yung rango natin sa negosyo. Pwedeng team leader, pwedeng coordinator, manager, director, president, senior president, tsaka yung ambassador. Yan po yung pinakamataas natin, no? So pag mas mababa ang position mo from team leader to manager, mababa pa rin yung monthly na ibibigay ng company na residual bonus. Pero pag mas mataas ang position mo from director to ambassador level, tumataas din yung monthly residual income na binibigay sa iyo ng company. Again, this is on a monthly basis, no? At ang kagandahan dito, wala tayong demotion at ranking. Ibig sabihin, pagka nakarating ka ng director, hindi ka nababagsak muli sa manager, coordinator o team leader. Paakyat ka lang ng paakyat. So ibig sabihin, yung residual income mo, no? Paakyat din ng paakyat. Depende kung ano yung position natin. So yan po yung 4 na additional bonuses na pwede natin kitain sa negosyo if we join the referral system. No, yung magre-refer lang tayo. This is something that we do on a daily basis. Nagre-refer tayo ng restaurant, nagre-refer tayo ng parlor, nagre-refer tayo ng mekaniko, nagre-refer tayo ng pelikula, 'di ba? Nagre-refer tayo but we don't get paid. But if you do that in this business, mag-refer ka, then you get paid by the company. Okay? Other ways para makaipon ka pa ng more C1 tokens, yung company have a referral club competition. Monthly po yan. Ngayong March, no? Magbibigay yung company ng 5 million C1 tokens to all top referees. Yung paramihan to ng referrals. Pagka pumasok ka sa top, top 1,000, no? Bibigyan ka ng company ng napakaraming C1 tokens. Kung nag-top 1 ka, baka million pa yung C1 token na makuha mo dito, no? So every month nagre-reboot ang company dyan. Now, for us to be able to get all the bonuses, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng activity points. Okay? Yung activity points are points that we generate pagka nagsasubscribe tayo o bumibili tayo ng mga products and services ng ating company, no? We are partners of the company. Ibig sabihin, we need to help the company, no, na ma-distribute yung products and services para kumita yung company, para masustain ng company yung negosyo natin, para mabayaran din tayo, di ba? The product has to move or nobody gets paid, di ba? So, paano tayo magkakaroon ng activity points? Ganito lang yan. The company is requiring us personal activity points tsaka yung group activity points na tinatawag, no? Kahit ano pa yung rango mo, from team leader to ambassador, 5 activity points lang po ang hinihiling sa atin ng company na personal natin, no? Yung personal purchase natin basically. Parang maintenance mo yan on a monthly basis. Ngayon, pagdating sa group activity points, nagbabago po yan, no? Pagka team leader ka to coordinator 3, 5 activity points lang din ang nire-require sa atin. So, ibig sabihin, yung 5 activity points mo na personal, enough na. Pero tumataas po yung group activity points na yan as you climb up the ladder, no? For example, pag ambassador ka, ang group activity points na na-required sa'yo ay 30 activity points. Pero by that time, hindi mo na iniinda yan dahil napakalaki na nung kinikita mo dito sa negosyo. Baka ikaw na nga yung bumibili nung ano na yan, di ba? Nung 30 activity points na yan. Okay? So yan po ang kailangan upang makuha natin lahat ng mga bonuses natin dun sa referral compensation plan natin. Right. Paano ka magkakaroon ng activity points? Nandyan po yung Planet IX AstroCap Meta shares natin. You can subscribe for 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months. You get 5 months for every month, 5 activity points for every month subscription, no? So kung 12 months yung subscription mo kay Meta shares, no, for 1,069 euros, meron ka ng 5 activity points every month dyan. Hindi mo na problema, no? Plus you also get direct sales bonus and residual bonus. Travelia, you can subscribe to Travelia Plus by 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, and you also get 5 activity points for every month subscription mo. Okay? Again, you get incredible discounts at over 800,000 hotels worldwide. Okay? Ang roadmap natin, no, ang unang ilo-launch ng ating company, yung C1 Web3 wallet natin. I believe this is going to be on the second quarter of this year. So, ibig sabihin, from next month, April, up to June, no? Asahan na natin na malo-launch na yung C1 wallet natin, no? Tapos, Susunod na dyan yung global token launch natin within the 3rd or 4th quarter ng ating year, no? So malapit na po yan. Within this year po malalaunch na po yung ating C1 token. Kaya we have enough time to collect as much token as we can. Right. So yan po lahat ng information na gustong i-share sa inyo, and I hope those informations are enough para maintindihan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung potential nitong negosyo na to. But if it's not enough, don't worry, no? As you start doing the business, marami ka pa mga training na pwedeng attenan dito sa negosyo natin, no? Every day meron tayong Zoom presentation, YouTube tutorials, meron pa tayong mga online education platform. Nandyan din po yung C1 dashboard natin to provide us with a lot of updates on a daily basis. So, hindi problema kung ano yung profession mo ngayon, anong background mo, no? It doesn't matter dito sa negosyo na to, no? Walang pinipili dito. Sabi ko nga, a business for that you can do. That can be done by anyone, can be done anywhere, can be done anytime, di ba? So, wala pong problema. Ako po isang nurse, no? Hindi po ako business graduate basically, no? Pero natutunan ko tong negosyo in a very short period of time, no? Kayang-kaya nyo din po ito. How do you get started? Join first, di ba? May nag-invite sa iyo, siya po ang papadala sa iyo ng invitation link and QR code para makapag-sign up ka, and then you can purchase your package, tapos laruin mo yung mga games dun sa package na yon, gamitin mo yung mga products and services. Ang kagandahan dito, wala na tayong inventory ng mga tangible products, no? Hindi ka na magbebenta ng mga pampaputi, ng mga kilikili, ng mga singit, no? Ng mga shampoo, ng mga coffee, wala na. Lahat ng products natin puro digital na, and you'll enjoy using those products, no? Build a team of customer base. Number 3, show the plan, no? Pakita natin tong opportunity. Wag lang yung produkto natin. Pakita natin yung opportunity for them to make money as well in this business. Remember, anyone who joins the business through your invitation will become part of your organization, and you will make a lot of money from that organization. Number 4, get rewarded, no? Lahat ng effort mo dito, being an active and productive affiliate, will give you a lot of incentives and bonuses from the company. Okay? So that's all the information that you need. What you need to do now is to decide whether you want to become part of this exciting business opportunity or not. Kung naghahanap ka ng opportunity, naghahanap ka ng pagbabago sa buhay mo, this is probably the right opportunity para sa iyo, no? Kailangan mo mag-decide, no? Pwede kang mag-decide today, pwede kang mag-decide bukas, pwede kang mag-decide next week, in 2 weeks time, or 1 month. The difference ng mga nagde-decide ngayon, no? They grab the opportunity by the neck. Meron na silang advantage, no? Kasi kung ikaw ay magde-decide 2 weeks from now, baka yung mga taong iniisip mo that you want to invite to this business opportunity, no? Baka ini-invite ka na naman after a week time. Sila na yung nag-i-invite sa iyo, no? Because again, there are more than 50 million na trying to share the opportunity to a lot of people on a daily basis, no? So very, very important po yung mag-decision ka, di ba? And most of the people na naging successful, no, yung pag nakita nila yung opportunity, they grab it by the neck, no? Hindi na sila nagpapatumpik-tumpik pa. You are looking for a change in your life, no? What you need to do is to change something that you do daily. Yan po yung sabi ni John Maxwell, no? You'll never change your life until you change something you do daily. Kung pareho lang daw po ang ginagawa mo every day, then yung resulta mo pareho pa rin. Kung naghahanap ka ng bagong resulta, then find something that you can do, find something different that you can do on a daily basis, no? Kung ang income mo nanggagaling sa pagtatrabaho mo ng 8 to 5 or 9 to 5, no? What you do after 5 o'clock, no? Is what matters, no? Kung magkano yung magiging additional income mo, di ba? Yun ang mas importante. Kasi kung aasahan mo lang yung 8 to 5 job mo, pareho pa rin yung income mo the next day or the next month, ganun pa rin ang magiging takbo ng buhay natin. Walang magiging pagbabago. So if you want change, then do something different, di ba? So ngayon, merong opportunity sa harapan nyo provided to us by a generous company called C1, no? Sabi nga ni Ken Poiro, no? Ngayon din daw po yung opportunity to build the tomorrow na gusto natin, no? Ang tanong na lang dyan, anong klaseng tomorrow ba yung gusto mong i-build para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo? So, here's the opportunity. You can get started now or you can get started tomorrow. It's a choice that you and only you can make. Maraming salamat po for joining us today. This is me, Paul De Guzman, once again, excited to share to you this business opportunity na nagsasabing daig ng maagap ang masipag. Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, grabe, no? Daig ng maagap ang masipag. Kaya